Hey everybody, welcome to my channel and this month's November, I know I'm late, don't give me guff, collection called House of Giving. So a new 8-piece collection of beautiful creams, opaque, lovely, as always. There's a new lot number on the bottom, never seen that before. They are 15 mil, full size, and as always, vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, heme-free, and palm oil-free. A beautiful fall collection. And use Guyleen30 to get 30% off, or sign up for VIP and get 50% off all the time. Free shipping, early access, all the good stuff. Let's get on with swatching these polishes. First up is Autumn Aurora. It is a beautiful neutral. Okay, I know. There I am, already screwing up. This is not Astro Pie. It's Autumn Aurora. I realize it and fix it in just a minute. There's one coat. Beautifully opaque, creamy, levels, as always. Oh, here we go. That's when I realized, oh, wait a minute. This is Astro Pie, and I just swatched. oh, corrected. See, I had it right all the time. Autumn Aurora. And here's Astro Pie. It is a pumpkin pie, a little lighter, actually. I don't know. And here is 2 coats, top coated. Excuse me, Penny, she's pushing my chair. Divine Glam. This is, I don't know what to call this. It's like a chocolate brown, but it just has a hint of purple or mauve to it. I actually used this on a client and she loved it. We did a beautiful Thanksgiving fall design on her. All of these are really opaque in one coat. Like I think I only came across one that actually needed 2 coats, and I'm applying them thin because if I don't on these clear pop sticks, they wrinkle. I love, love, love this one, Pure Nature. One coat, look at that. There's 2 coats, top coated. Okay, this one, Milky Way. This is the only one that actually needed 2 coats, but I am fighting. These things were screwed on by a gorilla. I couldn't get these off. I had to pull out the rubber band trick. If you guys don't know this, I take a big rubber band. I keep a few in my drawer and just kind of wrap it around there, and so you can get some grip. Works great with soda bottles, water bottles, any of it. I'm sorry, Penny just keeps wallowing around here. Okay. I think she got comfortable finally. And there is 2 coats, top coated. It's beautiful. That and the Pure Nature were pretty much my favorites. This one's gorgeous too, though. A deep, dark purple. Look how purple that is. Purple era. And I think that's a nod to Taylor Swift. I'm mad at her right now. She wasn't at the Denver Broncos game, and we lost. No, I don't believe in that, but you know, we can blame her. And there his two coats, top coated. These would be a gorgeous matte. But I mean, I think everything's going to be pretty matte. Sometimes it isn't, but mostly it is. If you like matte, you like matte, right? And here we have Scorpio season. This is the darkest of the two kind of teal blue colors. It's pretty much the dark. Well, I don't know. That purple's pretty dark too. This is gorgeous. You know, I say I pick favorites, but then I look at them all and it's like, well, I don't know. Is that my favorite? Maybe this one's my favorite. Astral projection. Did I say that right? I don't know. Astral, that's it. Projection. This one is a lighter teal. So, I mean, if the other one, if Scorpio season was a little too dark for you, I think this one is gorgeous too. This is maybe more your speed. And there's two coats with the top coat. Here are all the colors side by side so you can see. Beautiful collection, as always. And I did a little bit of a nail art, a look. I did some plaid stamping because freehand and plaid and me, no. I mean, I think I could do a little bit, but not this detailed or this much. And then I'm going to go in with some gold over the top of that one. This is pretty much the design close to what I did on my client. In case she saw that, I showed her that plaid and she's like, ooh, I like that. And I did a little swirly pumpkin. And then just added a little bit of leaves around the top, over the top. And there's the set. I love these. Love that green. Love that teal. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me these to show everyone. And I got a little surprise for December. So be sure you come back. Bye. So this is why she couldn't get comfortable back here. One thing is she's huge and she's not laying on her mat, which, I mean, she doesn't really fit on it, but she got her little head on it at least. Penny. Yeah, okay, she's out.